fun. I just wanted to show you some things that we are doing in a really cool makeover house that we're doing. We are doing a Lego room for two little boys that absolutely love Legos, and as you can tell, there are a lot of them. So what we wanted to do is create a workspace. So we got this cool herringbone butcher block. And they're little wood cutouts, but the color just really ties it together, and it brings in this modern, actually like kind of mature flair to this room. And then I got these Master Builder pillow covers, so we just need to find some pillows that those can go on. And so pulling in color and life to make this Lego room really awesome. Stay tuned.